actually nice. Yeah.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, and yeah, if you're returning, thank you so much for the lighting. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So yeah, if you're new, my name is Ruth, and yeah, we are shooting another vlog. So I finally got to use my blender, made my first smoothie. Love it. But yeah, today is a Sunday. It's a very slow day. I just watched the service, I think about an hour ago, via live stream. So yeah, I am in Mahalape. So I am right now, I'm heading to, I hope you guys can hear me because it's my mom having. But yeah, I'm heading to the hospital. I'm just gonna drop something off for my cousin who's not well. Then I need to buy spinach. I need to buy spinach and beef stock and maybe biscuits. I'm probably gonna buy like macaroni. Yeah, so this road is so funny, guys. It's like you don't mind me. Anyway, so I just thought I should say hi to you guys right now and take you guys with. I did say before, it's really hard shooting or vlogging when I'm this side because there's nothing for me to do. Like, there are no activities. I do have a friend here. We recently talked, like we grew up together and stuff. So I was gonna give her a call. Maybe we can link up if she's not too held up when I'm here. But obviously there's nothing to do, man, really. Like, we can try and catch up. But yeah, let's go. I'm about to cross the river. Guys. I'll show you guys. So yeah, when I tell you guys this is what I mean. It's not bad though. Let me show you guys the front. So this is it. That's the, I should take a walk later. Just come swing by here. Hey, that'd be nice.
Hello YouTube.
Hi guys, so I'm back home. I managed to buy biscuits. I got my quality. Can somebody tell this man Khloe Kardashian? You're supposed to pack them nicely.
Not Khloe Kardashian.
Anyway, beef stock.
Khloe is a dog's name.
Minestrone. I got this because I'm gonna put morogo. I prefer morogo arabi with a bit of minestrone soup in it, rather than only dry. Anyway, I was saying I prefer my morogo arabi with this soup. I mainly only use it for the morogo. So yeah, got some butter because I want to bake. I want to make some scones. Gonna do rock band probably tomorrow. Popcorn seeds because I live on Netflix. So yeah, morogo I just got from Bomamane by the road. It's already cut. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch this. Also got myself chocolate. Guys, let me tell you. Hold on. So you guys, excuse my bonnet, excuse everything. This is how I usually look when I'm home. Literally in some sweats, a t-shirt, in this case a turtleneck, because it's still a bit chill. I mean, yes, but inside the house is quite cold. So yeah, I was saying, you know, some men actually believe in annoying women, like legit. So I'm on my way. This man, while I'm approaching, he's there with a group of other men. He starts singing this song, and I'm so uncomfortable. Like already, it's uncomfortable for a woman to walk towards, like, men. So you can imagine if they start like saying comments. And in my case, that I don't even understand. I don't even know that song. Those men were staring at me. Like, I don't know why. Why is it another comments? Like, why? Like, why do some men just do that, guys? I don't like it. Like, I don't. Seriously, like, I don't. So I try to ignore it. But like, I tell my shopping cards, so I'm mad are still there. Why is he? Anyway, so I got myself a chocolate. For a kick, it's a stress. I felt like saying so many things. Some that are older men, like they're really old. So we can not gonna say a word. Demand twos. And I'm demand twos. I don't even say anything. But really, I don't appreciate it at all. So yeah, that's my little story about how I got myself a chocolate. I always find excuses to get myself something nice, guys. So yeah, now that I'm back home, I keep looking at myself, guys. Anyway, now that I'm back, I want to cook oxtail with madombi le morogo no waribi. So yeah, let's cook. Anyway, so I just thought I should show you guys. This is madombi. I hope they're fine. I kind of put a lot of water. Okay, there we go. Madombi, and then we have our morogo this side, and then the oxtail. I added a little bit of crushed garlic and a little bit of crushed chili in there. So yeah, I think you guys can tell that the pieces are mixed together. I think. Oof, child. I also made a bit of carrot salad. So yeah, let me dish up and show you guys. Hey, I can't remember how you look over my for a sleepover. Guys, I managed to bake. It is the next day, obviously. So yeah, I have 2 of these because one is for my aunt, one is for us. I'm gonna take them to her house later. So now I'm just having coffee with some creamer, and yeah, I'm just gonna put, I think maybe I'll have 3 of these. Oh, not how this one. So yeah, this is my breakfast for today.
The next day.
We are cooking Minotto chicken transportation. We're also making egg. So here we are. We have egg, that's 2 eggs, Minotto, some toast. I don't know what happened to this egg, but I know I'm gonna fight. We're gonna fight for the perfect one. But yeah, here's our coffee. Mine's the black one. Looks cute. Anyway, we're gonna eat and then I'm gonna undo my hair. Hey guys, I just got home. I went to the salon to wash my hair. I managed to undo it. It actually didn't take long, hey? I got some help, so yeah, it didn't take that long. So yeah, then I decided to go to the salon to wash my hair. Now I'm back. And I'm really stressed because I thought we were gonna make Zinger wings together, like you guys and I. One. But we don't have peri peri in the house and we actually need it. So I'm just trying to go through some recipes. Maybe I'll see one. I'm lying. We only have crushed chili in the house. Literally, like I don't have peri peri, no cayenne pepper, nothing. Just crushed chili. And you get the shop, can you believe it? Like I could have bought those. Let me just look for something. We'll see. Okay, I'll update you guys. If we manage to make them, we'll make them. If we don't, I don't know, because this vlog is supposed to be up tomorrow, so we have to make them today. I don't know. There's a big error. Think about us. You're the one right and the one who's wrong. It's a big error. guys, here we are. Don't mind those two. I like to chew these parts of like a wing. Was attached to the wing like this side. So I like to chew on this. So I just had to include it in here. You got to get it away. I together. Yeah. I don't know, it has two colors though. Guys, we're gonna taste. What should I take it? Pizza. It's nice, but it doesn't taste like KFC. Okay. It doesn't taste like Zinger wings, which I knew. I mean, we don't have all of the ingredients that were used in the recipe, but it's nice. So I'll look the recipe. I'll link the recipe in the description box. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. We are on the road to 1K subscribers, and yeah, I'm really excited for that. I hope you guys are too. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I need to start editing this vlog so that I can upload it overnight. My last video was having problems, so I really hope I'm not gonna have problems with this one as well, because I ended up uploading that video on a Thursday. So yeah, I really hope I won't have to go through the trouble again. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna take a walk later on. If we do, the clips will follow after this. If we don't, it's goodbye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.